I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming physical connections and capabilities. Plug both monitors into your GPU or laptop outputs and use active adapters when converting signal types. Passive adapters often fail. Once connected, power both screens and set them to native resolutions in their on-screen menus. Make sure the host device recognizes two displays before proceeding. If one monitor is older, match refresh rates or enable scaling to keep window sizes consistent across screens while you configure the unified. You now switch to software settings to create a seamless single-screen experience. In your operating system's display panel, choose Extend Mode and position the virtual monitors so the mouse moves naturally across them. Align tops or bottoms to avoid vertical jump. Make one display primary so taskbars and menus appear predictably. Then match resolutions and scaling settings. If mismatched, use logical scaling to keep UI sizes consistent. Once set, test by dragging a window across both screens to confirm continuity. You finish by choosing how to span applications. Use native OS Extend or GPU tools like NVIDIA Surround or AMD Eyefinity to present both monitors as one large desktop. These utilities join displays at the driver level for full-screen spanning in games and some apps. Make sure GPU drivers and monitor firmware are current and save your layout profile. If the screen won't span, update drivers, swap cables, try different outputs, and reboot. Often a single faulty cable or outdated driver prevents a proper merged display.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.